Okay, as you can see, that's about 4 inches. So we're going to kind of show the original plan was to have the case to be about like that, and then to run 2x4 across the bottom about like that, and then even with the top we'd run another length about like that. Okay, I don't have very straight fingers, but that's about how it would be. It'd be a narrower type setup. Well, as you can see, that wasn't the case. So that was the first plan. Okay, so the next plan was to come up and build a box like that on either side. But as you can see, there's not a whole lot of room there, so there isn't much storage in the lifting up, and the height raised on it. And it'd be kind of short, so I'd have to expand to bring out the unit that much farther. I'd also have to raise the cabinet up a little bit above what the original design was, so that was a fail too. So the next thing to do is to figure out how we're going to get this gap out, so this way this line here goes up to be equal with this here. And that's our next big deal. Okay, so what we had planned on doing, or one of the things to do to raise it, was to put a big wheel on it. That's a 5-inch wheel. So we're going to go ahead and put this on here like that. And we're going to do a little calculating here. So there's the distance that this one is going to take off the floor, which ends up being 6 1/8 inches. You figure 6 inches, okay? This here is what's on there now, which I'm just drawing a line on it. And the difference of it is a raise of about 3 3/8 inches. 3 3/8 inches. I think, let me verify it. I actually need to raise that cabinet 3 3/8 inches. I thought I was going to have to shim it, but it looks like I won't have to. So as soon as it becomes a dust day, I'll put these guys on it, and we'll do a little measuring again and see what happens. And then from there we can go on and finish up with the cabinet. Okay, so what I did was I put the cabinet on a 2x4 on the edge, and I'm going to lock those wheels down. Hopefully that'll help me facilitate flipping it up. I guess we will find out, huh? Because man, those are some tall honking casters. Okay, here we go. Okay, here goes. Drum roll, please. Oh, Jesus, it's heavy. Alright, that Hey, that worked pretty good. Let's set this guy where it's supposed to go. Put it right here. Right here. Oh, please. Okay, so just adding those 6-inch wheels, raise it up enough to bring it across. Let me zoom it in here so you can see. Maybe you can see. That bubble's just about level, almost level. And where do we put it? Well, we'll zoom it back a little bit. So how much of a difference is that? It raised it so it's 7/16 of an inch higher than what my target was, which is okay because I've always got pieces of OSB that I can just lay down on there and use it as a shim to bring it up level when I need it. And that bit of a difference when you're cutting it to drop, for it to drop, it ain't gonna hurt it that much. May throw it off a little bit on square, but not enough to make a big deal.